Hey everyone, we've just completed the framing and roofing phase in this house in Hollywood Hills, and wow, it's completely, complete 360 from when you first walk in, right? The door is right here and you look to the right and it's like, wow, everything's open. Obviously not complete yet. Lots of work went into ripping off the A-frame roof. We did a lot of structural work. There was a lot of wood rot from the previous owner who was not taking care of the property. A lot of wood we had to replace. And look at this, just gorgeous. And I want to talk to you about these Fleetwood windows here. I've already opened, it was closed when I got here, but look at this, I've opened it up. And if you look here, you might ask, Sam, why didn't you just do glass all the way through this wall? I'll tell you why. So these windows slide, okay? And I can slide everything all the way back. So I can slide all the way back into a crevice over there, making all of this open, right? So remember, we're in Los Angeles, no bugs. The weather stays nice all year round. And, this beautiful deck I'm about to build here is going to just be one with the kitchen that we're going to be building in the living room. And it's going to be up to the owner, who is a great client, from Washington D.C, who brought us out here, who's going to be living here, and he has the option of just keeping everything open and being able to just walk outside and living inside and outside at the same time, overlooking the Hollywood Hills and downtown Los Angeles. Same with these windows right here. So as you can see, we redid the electrical, complete overhaul of the electrical. We just passed permitting with that. Very nice. And these windows too, we're going to slide them into a little nook right here. You can see the tracks, and it's the same thing. We can open this up, and it's just absolutely incredible. We've been really enjoying every step of this process. I'm going to step out here because this is newer. You can see here what we did decide to do is we decided to do an overhang. The reason being there's so much wood rot here from the previous owner. It does rain here, believe it or not, in Los Angeles. And we just wanted to give the owner an extra protection on his investment. Because remember, we're doing floor to ceiling windows over there too in his bedroom and the bathroom over here. So we're really happy. We are on track, on schedule, and it's just one fun exercise after another. Just a great time over here.